Do you feel shy when you speak English?
Do the words disappear from your mouth right when you need them most?
Do you understand English but freeze when it is your turn to talk?
If yes, stay with us.
Because in this video, we will share simple secrets that can change the way you speak English.
And one of these secrets is so easy, you may laugh and say, "Wait, that's all?"
But yes, sometimes the simplest trick gives the biggest result.
So listen carefully.
Because by the end of this video, you will know how to speak English more fluently.
And more confidently.
Without using difficult grammar.
Without memorizing 1,000 fancy words.
And without feeling scared every time you open your mouth.
Before we begin,
please subscribe to Smart English Official.
Like this video.
And leave a comment below telling us,
what is the biggest problem for you in spoken English?
Is it fear?
Vocabulary?
Pronunciation?
Or your brain going on vacation in the middle of a sentence?
Yes, that happens too.
All right.
Let's begin.
First, let's say something important.
Fluency does not mean speaking very fast.
Let me say that again.
Fluency does not mean speaking very fast.
Many learners think a fluent speaker is a person who talks like a machine gun.
Tuck, 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 tuck. No stop, no breathing, no mercy.
But that is not fluency.
Real fluency means you can express your ideas clearly,
smoothly,
and naturally,
even if you speak a little slowly.
And confidence does not mean you never make mistakes.
Confidence means you are not afraid of mistakes.
That is a big difference.
Very big.
Because many students wait for perfect English.
And while they wait,
they do not speak.
And because they do not speak,
they do not improve.
And then they say,
why am I still not fluent?
Because your mouth is closed, my friend.
Exactly.
So here is secret number 1.
Stop trying to sound perfect.
Start trying to communicate.
Your goal is not perfection.
Your goal is connection.
If people understand you,
you are already doing something right.
Think about children.
Children make many mistakes.
But they still speak.
They speak badly.
Then a little better.
Then much better.
Why?
Because they practice without shame.
Adults often do the opposite.
We think too much.
We worry too much.
We judge ourselves too much.
And then one simple sentence becomes a mountain.
Like this.
Hi.
Should I say hi?
Or hello.
Or good morning?
Or greetings.
No, too formal.
Wait, maybe I should smile first?
Maybe later.
Maybe never.
And after all that thinking,
the moment is gone.
So lesson 1 is simple.
Speak first.
Correct later.
Now let's go to secret number 2.
Think in English in small pieces.
Many learners try to translate every sentence from their own language into English.
That takes too much time.
Your brain becomes a slow internet connection.
Loading.
Loading.
Still loading.
Sorry, sentence not available.
So what should you do?
Do not think in long, difficult sentences.
Think in short, easy English chunks.
For example, do not think,
today I would like to express my opinion regarding the importance of daily spoken practice.
That sounds like a robot teacher from another planet.
Instead, think like this.
Daily practice is important.
I speak every day.
It helps me improve.
Simple, clear, natural.
When you think in small chunks, speaking becomes faster.
And when speaking becomes faster,
you feel more fluent.
Here are some useful chunks you can use every day.
In my opinion.
I think.
I'm not sure, but...
Can you say that again?
Let me think.
That's a good question.
I mean...
What I want to say is...
these small phrases are powerful.
Why? Because they give your brain time.
And time gives you confidence.
Now, listen carefully. This next point is very important.
Many people want fluency.
But they do not train their mouth.
They read a lot.
They watch videos.
They study grammar.
All good things.
But they do not speak out loud.
That's like watching exercise videos every day and expecting six-pack abs while eating cake on the sofa.
A lot of cake.
A dangerous amount of cake. If you want to speak well,
You must speak out loud every day.
this is secret number 3.
Use your voice daily,
Even if you are alone,
especially if you are alone.
because alone practice is safe practice.
No pressure.
No embarrassment.
No one saying, "What did you say?"
Except maybe your cat.
And even your cat looks confused all the time anyway.
Try this. Talk to yourself in English for 5 minutes every day.
Talk about your day.
Talk about your plans.
Talk about what you see around you.
For example, I am in my room. There is a table near me. I feel a little tired today.
I want to improve my English
Small sentences.
every day.
This daily speaking habit trains your mouth, your ears, and your confidence.
Now here comes secret number 4.
Use repetition the smart way.
Many learners avoid repeating easy sentences.
They want new words every minute,
New grammar every second.
new stress every day.
But repetition is not boring.
Repetition builds power,
When you repeat useful sentences many times, they become automatic.
and automatic speaking feels like fluency. For example, repeat sentences like, "How was your day?
What do you do?
Where are you from?
I agree with you. I don't understand.
Can you help me?"
Repeat them again and again,
Not 100 in one day.
but a little every day.
Soon, these sentences will come out naturally.
And here is a little trick.
Change one word each time.
How was your day?
How was your class?
How was your trip?
How was your weekend?
This helps your brain stay active.
And it teaches you how English patterns work.
Now, let's talk about a hidden enemy.
Ah, yes.
Fear.
The big monster in the room.
Fear says,
What if I make a mistake?
what if people laugh?
What if my pronunciation is bad?
What if I forget everything?
Well,
Let us answer that honestly.
you will make mistakes.
Sometimes people may not understand you.
Your pronunciation will not always be perfect.
And yes,
Sometimes you will forget words.
but guess what?
That happens to everyone.
Even in their own language.
Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there?
Of course.
Exactly.
Your brain does that in every language.
So stop treating every English mistake like a world disaster.
It is not a disaster.
It is training.
This is secret number 5.
Replace fear with action.
When you feel nervous,
Do not run away.
say one sentence,
Just one.
then another.
Confidence grows after action, not before action.
That is very important.
Many people wait to feel confident first.
But confidence comes from doing the thing, not from waiting in the corner and hoping for magic.
Now here comes secret number 6.
Learn language for real life.
This is where many students get stuck.
They study English that they never use.
Words like economical agriculture production management system.
But they can't say, "I'm hungry."
That's a problem.
Learn the English you need in daily life.
For example,
How to introduce yourself.
how to ask questions,
How to order food.
how to talk about your job,
How to share your opinion.
how to continue a conversation.
These are useful speaking skills
And useful English is easier to remember.
because your brain says,
Oh, I need this.
and when you use it again and again.
It stays in your memory.
Now let's talk about one of the best methods for fluency.
Shadowing.
Yes,
And if you have never tried it,
this may become your favorite method.
here is how it works.
Listen to a short English sentence from a native speaker.
Then repeat it immediately.
Copy the sound.
Copy the rhythm.
Copy the stress.
Copy the feeling.
Not like a boring robot.
Like a real speaker.
For example, if the speaker says,
I'm really excited about this.
you repeat,
I'm really excited about this.
say it with the same energy.
This improves pronunciation
Listening,
and speaking speed.
and there is a surprise benefit.
It also improves confidence.
Because when you copy natural English often,
Natural English starts living inside your mouth.
That sounds strange.
But true.
A little strange.
But true. Now, here is secret number 7.
Do not study for hours without speaking.
Some people study English for 2 hours and speak for 2 minutes.
No.
Flip it.
Even if you study for only 20 minutes?
Make sure you speak for a big part of that time.
Read aloud.
Repeat sentences.
Answer questions out loud.
Retell a short story.
Describe a picture.
Tell your opinion.
Use active practice.
Because fluent speakers are not just people who know English.
They're people who can use English quickly,
And speed comes from practice.
not from silent knowledge.
Now let us share something very important for shy learners.
You do not need long speeches to become fluent.
You need many small speaking moments.
This changes everything.
1 minute here,
3 minutes there.
5 minutes tomorrow morning.
2 minutes before sleep.
These small moments become strong practice over time.
So if you think, I don't have time,
Maybe you do.
you just need to use small pockets of time.
While walking,
While cooking.
while cleaning.
While looking for your missing sock.
English can help with that too.
Where are you, little sock? Come back to me.
That's advanced emotional English.
Very advanced.
Now, before we finish, let's give our viewers a simple daily plan.
Yes.
A plan they can start today.
Here it is.
Step 1.
Listen to short, easy English for 5 minutes.
Step 2. Repeat what you hear for 5 minutes.
Step 3.
Speak alone in English for 5 minutes.
Talk about your day, your ideas, or your plans.
Step 4.
Learn and repeat 5 useful English chunks. Step 5.
Use 1 or 2 of those chunks in a real conversation.
Or in your self-practice.
That is it.
Simple.
But powerful.
And if you do this daily,
You will notice change.
not in 1 hour,
Not in one night.
but little by little,
And one day,
you will start speaking.
and the words will come more easily.
You will hesitate less.
You will fear less.
You will enjoy English more.
And that is when fluency really starts to grow.
So remember this.
You do not become fluent by waiting.
You become fluent by speaking.
You do not become confident by hiding.
You become confident by trying,
Even with mistakes.
even with pauses.
Even with imperfect pronunciation.
Because every time you speak,
You are building a stronger English voice.
and yes,
That voice may shake at first.
but if you keep using it,
It will become stronger,
clearer.
more confident.
So are you ready for one small challenge?
After this video ends, speak English out loud for just 2 minutes.
Yes, only 2 minutes.
Talk about anything.
Your breakfast,
Your day.
your dreams.
Your missing sock.
Please tell us if you find it. And then come back and leave a comment.
Write, I spoke English today.
That simple comment can be your first public promise.
And promises create action.
Action creates progress.
And progress creates confidence.
If you enjoyed this video,
Please subscribe to Smart English Official
like this video,
and share it with a friend who wants to speak English fluently and confidently.
we are here to help you speak better,
Step by step,
day by day.
with simple English
Clear practice.
and real confidence.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing in yourself.
And remember,
Fluent English is not for special people.
it is for people who practice.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
And go speak English.
Right now.
Yes, right now.
No excuses.
Not even the sock excuse.
Bye.